Assalamu alaikum. The limiting factor is the factor that directly affects the rate of chemical reaction. If we increase this factor, the rate of a chemical reaction increases, and if we decrease this factor, the rate of chemical reaction will decrease. Let's study the limiting factor related to the chemical reaction photosynthesis. There are different factors affecting the photosynthesis. For example, the temperature, the carbon dioxide concentration, and the amount of water. We see the graph and we see the light intensity taken on x-axis and the rate of photosynthesis being shown on y-axis. When the light intensity is increasing, there is steep increase in the rate of photosynthesis, but this increase in the rate of photosynthesis is till point A. Between the point A and B, we see that though the light intensity being increased, but the rate of photosynthesis is constant, almost constant. There is no increase in the rate of photosynthesis. So at this point, that is between the point A and B, there is some another factor that is limiting the rate of photosynthesis. So when we change the factor, when we increase some another factor, for example, we have increased the temperature from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. So there is very little increase in the rate of photosynthesis, which is shown with this green line. So that means this slight increase in the rate of photosynthesis means that between the point A and B, temperature is not the limiting factor, but some another factor is the limiting factor for photosynthesis. And that we came to know by increasing the carbon dioxide concentration from 0.03% to 0.13%. So there is considerable increase in the rate of photosynthesis. But again we see that between the point E and F, the rate of photosynthesis almost becomes constant. So that means that now between the point E and F, some another factor is the limiting factor for photosynthesis, and that we came to know by increasing the temperature from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. So there is considerable increase in the rate of photosynthesis, which is shown by the graph 4. So I hope you would have understood now the limiting factor related to the chemical reaction photosynthesis. Thank you.